Good day, everyone. Today we are going to practice reading. Are you ready, kids? Now, let's start. A frog. A big frog. A big green frog. Again. A frog. A big frog. A big green frog. Your turn. A crab. A big crab. A big orange crab. Again. A crab. A big crab. A big orange crab. Your turn. A banana. A big banana. A big yellow banana. Again. A banana. A big banana. A big yellow banana. An egg. 2 eggs. 2 round eggs. Again. An egg. 2 eggs. 2 round eggs. Your turn. A pineapple. A sweet pineapple. A 4 sweet pineapple. Again. A pineapple. A sweet pineapple. A 4 sweet pineapple. Your turn. A net. A small net. A small blue net. Again. A net. A small net. A small blue net. Your turn. A sharpener. A small sharpener. A small green sharpener. Again. A sharpener. A small sharpener. A small green sharpener. Your turn. A bird. A blue bird. A 2 blue bird. Again. A bird. A blue bird. A 2 blue bird. Your turn. A worm. A brown worm. A brown small worm. Again. A worm. A brown worm. A brown small worm. Your turn. A ball. A big ball. A big blue ball. Again. A ball. A big ball. A big blue ball. Your turn. A dress. A pink dress. A beautiful pink dress. A dress. A pink dress. A beautiful pink dress. Your turn. A mango. A sweet mango. A sweet yellow mango. Again. A mango. A sweet mango. A sweet yellow mango. Your turn. A bag. A small bag. A small blue bag. A bag. A small bag. A small blue bag. Your turn. A cat. A fat cat. A fat orange cat. Again. A cat. A fat cat. A fat orange cat. Your turn. A fish. A big fish. A big blue fish. Again. A fish. A big fish. A big blue fish. Your turn. A hat. A big hat. A big red hat. Again. A hat. A big hat. A big red hat. Your turn. A car. A big car. A big white car. Again. A car. A big car. A big white car. Your turn. A puppy. A cute puppy. A cute brown puppy. Again. A puppy. A cute puppy. A cute brown puppy. Your turn. A bag. A small bag. A small colorful bag. Again. A bag. A small bag. A small colorful bag. Your turn. A dog. An orange dog. A cute orange dog. Again. A dog. An orange dog. A cute orange dog. Your turn. A doll. An orange doll. A small orange doll. Again. A doll. An orange doll. A small orange doll. Your turn. Great job, children! Now, let's read it together. A frog. A big frog. A big green frog. A crab. A big crab. A big orange crab. A banana. A big banana. A big yellow banana. An egg. 2 eggs. 2 round eggs. A pineapple. A sweet pineapple. A 4 sweet pineapple. A net. A small net. A small blue net. A sharpener. A small sharpener. A small green sharpener. A bird. A blue bird. A 2 blue bird. A worm. A brown worm. A brown small worm. A ball. A big ball. A big blue ball. A dress. A pink dress. A beautiful pink dress. A mango. A sweet mango. A sweet yellow mango. A bag. A small bag. A small blue bag. A cat. A fat cat. A fat orange cat. A fish. A big fish. A big blue fish. A hat. A big hat. A big red hat. A car. A big car. A big white car. A puppy. A cute puppy. A cute brown puppy. A bag. A small bag. A small colorful bag. A dog. An orange dog. A cute orange dog. A doll. An orange doll. A small orange doll. Thank you. Once again, this is Teacher Roshi. And please don't forget to click like and subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye. See you again.